world and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have MASEGO here, first time on this channel. Perhaps he was in some collab with someone else before, but this time on his own, and this song is called Say You Want Me. So this is standard 3-chord progression, and that goes in the same way through the entire song with one strumming pattern. So we will look at that. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one. So the chords will be E minor, A minor, and F. So first the E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have the F. That's a bar on the first fret over all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. So there you have the chord progression: E minor, A minor, and F. All right, so let's look at one full strumming round, and then we need to divide it into two different parts. But first, grab that E minor, since that is the first chord, and one round will be like this. Alright, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. And the second part will be just down, clap, down. So if we combine these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, so with that we can look at how to play and handle the chords. So you will go to E minor first and play one full strumming round, and then you're gonna split over A minor and F for the next two chords there. The A minor will play part one, so down, down, up, clap, down, and then you switch to F and play part two, down, clap, down. And that is actually what's going on through the entire song. E minor, one full round, A minor part one, F part two, like this. Alright, so that covers MASEGO's Say You Want Me. Good luck with this one, guys. See you soon. Play tuned.